to be around that tall, and I want it to be around that wide. Right through the dowel. Same width all the way along. Wait. Let's fix that. So we're at 1312. 1301. Flip it around. Mark from the other side. Those actually happen to be right in the middle. Which side was done by the Japanese saw? Which side was done by the Western saw? Japanese, Western. Japanese, Western. That needs some work. Yes, it does. That's better. Ah, went the other way. And we're good there, so it's just on this end. It's just on this end, so we are high, or we're just low here, that's why. That is within tolerances. Very nice. An eighth. Or 1 inch, so you need to come down 1 inch and 7/16. You're going to need to be there. should be pretty much that size. That's what I want. Nice and tight. Ding. Just like that. Just going to spread out this side a bit. Just a little ways. We can go. Doing it from the wrong side, aren't I? Ooh. Engage the squint, not the squid. Make this just a little bit wider, not by much. Have to be slightly thinner than this. That's right about where we're at. I like that. By this. I only need to go down about that far. It's not working. Don't blow out the end. Don't blow out the end. This. Holy cow, that's right on. 1/6. I want it to be slightly tipped that way. Oh, that's right, I need the padding. Like, the jaws aren't touching because those are, that's right, I need to put the padding in there still. I don't need much. That'll go. Can you trim up rubber? Yes, I called you that. So you can clamp this and pretty quickly squeeze it down and then unlock it. And then slide to this one, squeeze up on that. It's pretty solid. So there you have it. a Luthier's clamp. I really enjoy this one. Now, you may realize recently, about a year or so ago, I made this one. This one doesn't have the toggles. It's a little bit simpler, easier. It's just 3 pieces, and it works really well. So I wanted to try a couple, and I've done several of them now, playing with adding the toggles. And the toggle actually gives it just that little bit more clamping strength, but it also makes it easier to break apart and keep using it. So I kind of prefer using those toggles. It's not necessary, but if you want to actually make one of these, I'm going to be doing a class here soon where I'm going to be teaching how to do this. And it's going to be a 2-part class. I'll have people here live in the shop, but we'll also have a class online. If you want to find out more about that, there'll be links to that down below. So I'm looking forward to having fun making these with some of you. So if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, throw those down in the comments down below. And if you do that, it really helps out the channel. Honestly, it's one of those ways you can help get us in front of more people and help this channel grow. So anytime you comment, like, share, subscribe, or join those people who just put CBD, comment down below. Thank you. That really means a lot. Now, if you want to go even farther, though, and you want to be a magnificent, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous person, you can join these ones over here. They are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between patrons and members like you guys keep the channel going. So thank you for that. We are completely member and patron supported. So thank you. And if you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. It's a little known fact, but in the MCU, Hulk likes to smash things. But every now and then he finds something that's really, really delicate. And, well, he doesn't want to just crush it. He just wants to smash it a little bit.